So now I've sewn this edges on the seams around the centerpiece in front with overcasting all the way down. And now I shall make it's called feather seam in Norwegian. I don't know what it is in English. If you know, please tell me in comment. And I sew that from the right side. So I lay those together. And as usual, I start with no knots. Oh, that's a little long thread. This seam is found on the Viborg shirt. One of the findings from late Viking Age, where there's found 8 different seam techniques. It's amazing. I made another video called Seams from the Viking shirts. It's on my channel. You can see those. And then when you can, all those, there's 8 different there. You can do everything. So this is one of them. I use them for the decoration part. So from the side I come up, I do not stitch, but I jump over it and go into the other side. And this is the right side, so this will be seen. Then I go maybe 2 millimeters down here. And now it's in purpose. I use a contrast color. I use one of the colors from the tablet bone band that will be on here later on. Because you will see this as a little tiny decoration. It looks like a mice that's been running down there. So, and it's a 16-2, so it's a little stronger than 22. And if you don't have a strong thread, use double, because this is the only seam that will keep this piece together. So there is 3 seams on each of those seams, but it's only this one that will actually keep it together. So it had to be strong. Like this. You see it? Yes, and then over to the next side. Always jump over the one you come out of and then into the other. It's like a little embroidery, really. Nice. All the way down and on the other side of the front piece as well. See you soon. So now this Viborg shirt seam is done on both sides. I think it's quite decorative. It's on. So now it's time to make the back piece.